Hi guys, so my vocabulary strategy is the vocabulary tree. This strategy can be used before, during, or after reading. It is an individual project but can easily turn into a group project or small group project. It takes one word and really deepens the connection with the content for easier student comprehension. When making the tree, the trunk turns into the core word or concept, and the branches show how they connect and some examples that go in between. Students will be given 4 to 5 words. They can either be given these words or they can find these words themselves. Students will then draw the outline of a tree with a trunk and branches. After this, the students will order the words how they think they are connected. Once they do this, students can add as much as necessary. They can add more branches or lengthen their explanations. And like previously stated, the more important words or general words will go closer to the trunk. Specific words will become the branches. Throughout the unit, students can refer to their projects. They can reflect, add on, or change the vocabulary trees as much as necessary. They can also compare trees and discuss the connections that they found. So, if I was going to do a unit on yoga, my Tier 2 and Tier 3 words would be unity, meditation, spiritual, balance, and yama. So, as you can see in green, my root word is yoga. My Tier 2 and Tier 3 words are up top as the branches with the explanations in the blue. I hope this helps.